If you tell me you don't like mac and cheese, it's probably because you haven't had good mac and cheese. Because come on, it's cheesy pasta goodness. How can you go wrong with that? Like, seriously, look at this cheese pull, pasta pull. Like, why would you not want to have this? So, here's my mac and cheese recipe that will make you fall in love with mac and cheese and make a hater into a lover. Because not only is it super cheesy, but it is also full of flavor. So, first things first, while the water boils for the pasta, we grate some cheese and get a hand workout in. Once the water comes to a boil the pasta. You want it to come to al dente. You don't want to overboil it because it will get mushy. Then we start on the mac and cheese, and that starts by making a roux. Cook the spices and flour in butter, and you want to cook it well so that there's no flour raw taste. Then we add the milk and cream in parts and cook it till it thickens. Make sure there are no lumps, and once it's incorporated in, we're going to add in the seasonings and the cheese in two parts. And yes, it's a shit ton of cheese, but it's so good. I like to add parsley and a little bit of mustard because I think it really helps to bring out that zing and flavor of all the cheese. Then we add our pasta. I like to use tube pasta so the cheese kind of goes into the tubes and you get flavor in every single bite. Toss the pasta well in that cheesy sauce and then add some pasta water to just kind of lighten it up. The full recipe for everything is on my website. Then we layer the mac and cheese, goes in the pasta, and then you want to layer in with more cheese, and then you put in the rest of the pasta and layer with more cheese. And then we top it with breadcrumbs and something I personally love, fried onions, because it adds so much of a crisp and flavor as well. And then it bakes in the oven and it's ready. This mac and cheese is going to be fantastic.